Tonight, the city of Davenport is now facing another lawsuit, this one over the 2019 flood. Two people are saying the city is responsible for millions of dollars they lost because of damage to their businesses. Jonathan Fong in studio for us tonight on what the lawsuit says about how the city handled its flood protection. Jonathan?
John, the lawsuit argues the city did not follow manufacturers' instructions when it installed flood barriers. It also argues the city did not follow procedures set up by a previous public works director. You may remember in 2019, water rushed into downtown after those HESCO barriers failed. Several blocks were completely flooded, with water ruining businesses. The plaintiffs say they lost $3.5 million in property damage and business income. And by the way, the suit is also asking to include everyone who lived at the Davenport apartment on 324 Main Street on May 28, 2023, the day it collapsed. Now, the big questions here: why they want to include those tenants in the lawsuit, and why the case is coming forward now, 5 years after the flood. We were not able to get in contact with lawyers on either side tonight, but we are working to get answers. HESCO, the maker of the barriers, is named in the lawsuit, as is Corey Spiegel. The lawsuit claims she was the one responsible for making sure those barriers were installed correctly. John?
All right, Jonathan, thank you.